This recording and the last recording for our series in creating stock for our CAM part will be reviewing the settings that are relevant for creating stock. First, take a look at the automatic CAM part definition. We have an option of definition of stock to be done the moment we accept our coordinate system. This will automatically create stock around the actual model that we have chosen, and we can do that either as a box or as a cylinder. Next, we have the option of stock definition. In stock definition, we have several options here. One, we have two different tabs, one for 3D box and one for cylinder stock definition. Let's first go into our 3D box definition. In our 3D box definition, we have our three modes over here, and we also have the way we want to have our stock size. We can have it according to SolidCAM settings values, which opens everything up over here, and we can set what the default values are. We also have according to our previous CAM part values. This will actually have this go according to what the previous value was that you put in the previous CAM project that you had done. Let's put it back at SolidCAM settings so that we can have everything open. Now, we can also have our options being as absolute coordinates, relative to model, or stock size. Our default, as SolidCAM is delivered, is with relative to model. I do know a lot of people that do change this to stock size, as this is their preferred way of working. I'm going to put it back at relative to model. Now, as far as relative to model goes, again, the default values would be whatever default value you put inside over here. Let's go now into cylinder stock definition. In cylinder stock definition, we can either we have according to the SolidCAM setting values, which will be these values for absolute coordinates, as this is all under absolute coordinates. And we also have the relative to model mode, where it'll take these values for the relative to model modes. This concludes our recordings on the series of creating stock.